Is this even possible?
Hey everyone, I have to share this wild
This is
experience
so
I had
hard.
playing Melon
I kinda
Sandbox.
like
Last
it.
weekend, I chose the craziest character ever,
How am I
Skibidi
supposed to
Toilet,
click
I kid you not,
67
and ended up
times
in the
that
most
quick?
epic battle.
Wait, what if I just
Picture
use
this,
my black
explosions,
balls?
intense gunfire, all crafted from
Oh,
scratch.
I think
it
it's
felt
gonna
like
work.
directing my own action.
Yo, let's go!
If you're into creating your own
$1,
adrenaline pumping
$10,
combat theme, you need to check this
$100.
out. Download
Fun
Melon
Clicker.
Sandbox today
Play
and
now.
start crafting your own battles.
What?
Trust me, it's an absolute blast.
Is this even possible? Bro, this is so hard, but I kind of like it like that. How am I supposed to click 67
Hey everyone,
times
I have
that
to share
quick?
this wild
Wait,
experience I
what if I
had
just
playing
use my
Melon
black
Sandbox. Last
balls?
weekend, I chose the craziest
Oh,
character ever,
I think it's
Skibidi
gonna
Toilet,
work.
I kid you not, and
Oh,
ended up in
let's
the most
go!
epic battle.
Wait,
Picture this, explosions,
$10,
intense gunfire, all crafted from scratch. It
Fun
felt like
Clicker.
directing my own
Play
action.
now.
If you're into creating your own adrenaline pumping combat themes, you need to check this out.
Is this
Download Melon
possible?
Sandbox today and start
This
crafting
is
your
so
own
hard,
battles.
but I kind of
Trust
like
me,
it.
it's an absolute blast.
How am I supposed to click 67 times that quick? Wait, what if I just use my black balls? Oh, I think it's gonna work.
Hey everyone, I have to
let's
share
go.
this wild experience I had playing Melon Sandbox. Last
$10,
weekend, I chose the craziest character ever, a Skibidi
Fun
Toilet, I
Clicker.
kid you not,
Play
and ended
now.
up in the most epic battle. Picture this, explosions, intense gunfire, all crafted from scratch.
this
It
even
felt like
possible?
directing my own action.
Bro, this
If
is
you're into
so
creating your own
hard. I kinda
adrenaline
like it.
pumping combat themes, you need to check this out.
How am I supposed to
Download
click
Melon
67
Sandbox
times
today
that
and start crafting
Wait,
your own
what if I just use my
battles.
black
Trust me,
balls?
it's an absolute blast.
Oh, I think it's gonna work. Yo, let's go! Wait, $1, $10, $100.
Fun Clicker. Play
Hey everyone, I
now.
have to share this wild experience I had playing Melon Sandbox. Last weekend, I chose the craziest character ever,
this
Skibidi Toilet, I kid you not, and ended up in the most
This is
epic
so
battle.
hard.
Picture
I
this,
kinda like it.
explosions, intense gunfire, all crafted from
How am I
scratch.
supposed to
It
click
felt like
67
directing my own
times
action.
that quick?
If
Wait,
you're into
what if I just
creating
use
your
my
own
black
adrenaline pumping
balls?
combat themes, you need to check
Oh,
this out.
I think it's gonna
Download
work.
Melon Sandbox today
Yo,
and
let's
start
go!
crafting
Wait,
your own battles.
$1,
Trust me,
$10,
it's an absolute blast.
$100.
Fun Clicker. Play now.
What? Is this even possible?
Hey everyone, I have to
This
share this
is
wild
so
experience I had
hard.
playing
I kinda
Melon
like it.
Sandbox. Last weekend, I chose the craziest
How
character
am I
ever,
supposed to click
Skibidi Toilet, I kid
67
you not,
times
and
that
ended up in the most
Wait,
epic
what if I
battle.
just use my
Picture
black
this,
balls?
explosions, intense gunfire, all
Oh,
crafted from
I think
scratch.
it's gonna work.
It felt like directing my
Yo,
own
let's
action.
go!
If
Wait,
you're into creating your own adrenaline
$10,
combat themes, you need
$100.
to check this out.
Fun
Download
Clicker.
Melon Sandbox
Play now.
today and start crafting your own battles. Trust me, it's an absolute blast.
Is this even possible? Bro, this is so hard, but I kind of like it like that. How am I supposed to click 67 times
Hey
that
everyone, I have to share
Wait,
this wild
what if I just
experience
use
I
my
had playing
black
Melon Sandbox.
balls?
Last weekend, I chose the
Oh,
craziest character
I think it's
ever,
gonna work.
Skibidi Toilet, I kid you not,
Yo,
and
let's
ended
go!
up in the most
Wait,
epic battle.
$1,
Picture this,
$10,
explosions, intense gunfire, all crafted from scratch.
Fun Clicker.
It felt like directing
Play
my
now.
own action. If you're into creating your own adrenaline pumping combat themes, you need to check
Is
this out.
this even
Download
possible?
Melon Sandbox today
Bro,
and
this
start
is so
crafting your
hard,
own
but I
battles.
kind of like it.
Trust me, it's an absolute blast.
How am I supposed to click 67 times that quick? Wait, what if I just use my black balls? Oh, I think it's gonna work. Yo,
Hey
let's
everyone,
go!
I have to share this
Wait,
wild experience I had
$1,
playing Melon
$10,
Sandbox. Last weekend, I chose the craziest character ever,
Fun
Skibidi
Clicker.
Toilet, I kid
Play
you not,
now.
and ended up in the most epic battle. Picture this, explosions, intense gunfire, all crafted
Is
from
this
scratch.
even
It felt
possible?
like directing my own action.
This is so
If you're
hard,
into creating
but I
your
kinda
own
like it.
adrenaline pumping combat themes, you need to check
How
this
am I
out.
supposed to click
Download
67
Melon Sandbox
times
today
that quick?
and start
Wait,
crafting
what if I
your
just
own
use my
battles.
black balls?
Trust me, it's an absolute blast.
Oh, I think it's gonna work. Yo, let's go! Wait, $1, $10, $100.
Fun Clicker. Play now.
Hey everyone, I have to share this wild experience I had playing Melon Sandbox. Last weekend, I chose the craziest
Is
character
this
ever,
even
a Skibidi Toilet, I kid you not, and ended up
This
in the
is
most
so
epic
hard.
battle. Picture this, explosions, intense gunfire, all
How
crafted
am I
from
supposed to
scratch.
click
It felt
67
like directing my
times
own
that quick?
action.
Wait,
If
what
you're
if I
into
just use my
creating your
black
own
balls?
adrenaline pumping combat themes, you need to check
I
this
think
out.
it's gonna work.
Download Melon Sandbox
Yo, let's
today
go!
and start
Wait,
crafting your own
$1,
battles.
$10,
Trust me, it's an absolute
$100.
blast.
Fun Clicker. Play now.
this even possible?
Hey everyone,
This
I
is
shared
so
this wild
hard.
experience I had playing Melon Sandbox last weekend. I chose the craziest
How am I
character
supposed to
ever,
click
a skibidi
67
toilet, I kid you
times
not,
that?
and ended up in the
Wait,
most
what if I
epic
just use
battle.
my black
Picture this,
balls?
explosions, intense gunfire,
Oh,
all crafted
I think
from
it's gonna
scratch.
work.
It felt like direct
Yo,
to my own
let's go!
action.
Wait,
If you're into
$1,
creating your own adrenaline pumping combat scenes,
$100.
you need to check this out.
Fun Clicker.
Download Melon
Play
Sandbox
now.
today and start crafting your own battles. Trust me, it's an absolute blast.
Is this even possible? Bro, this is so hard, but I kind of like it like that. What? How am I supposed to click 67 times that quickly?
Hey everyone,
Wait,
I have to share
what if I
this
just
wild
use my
experience
black
I had playing Melon
balls?
Sandbox last weekend. I
Oh,
chose the
I think
craziest
it's gonna
character
work.
ever, a skibidi toilet,
Yo,
I kid you
let's
not,
go!
and ended up
Wait,
in the most
$1,
epic battle.
$10,
Picture this, explosions, intense
$100.
gunfire, all crafted
Fun
from
Clicker.
scratch. It
Play
felt like
now.
directing my own action. If you're into creating your own adrenaline pumping combat scenes, you need
Is
to check
this
this
even
out.
possible?
Download Melon Sandbox
Bro,
today
this is
and
so
start
hard.
crafting your
I
own
kinda like it
battles.
like that.
Trust me, it's an absolute blast.
How am I supposed to click 67 times that quickly? Wait, what if I just use my black balls? Oh, I think it's gonna work. Yo, let's go!
Hey everyone,
Wait,
I have to share this
$1,
wild experience I had playing
$10,
Melon Sandbox last weekend. I chose the
Fun
craziest
Clicker.
character ever, a
Play
skibidi
now.
toilet, I kid you not, and ended up in the most epic battle. Picture this, explosions, intense gunfire,
Is
all
this
crafted
even
from scratch.
possible?
It felt like direct to my own
This
action.
is so hard.
If you're
I
into
kinda like
creating
it.
your own adrenaline pumping combat scenes, you
How
need
am I
to check
supposed to
this
click
out.
67
Download
times
Melon
that?
Sandbox today
Wait,
and start
what if I just
crafting
use my
your own
black
battles.
balls?
Trust me, it's an
Oh,
absolute blast.
I think it's gonna work. Yo, let's go! Wait, $1, $10, $100.
Fun Clicker. Play now.
Hey everyone, I have to share this wild experience I had playing Melon Sandbox last weekend. I chose
Is
the
this
craziest
even
character ever,
possible?
a skibidi toilet, I kid you not,
This is
and ended
so
up in the
hard,
most
but I
epic
kinda
battle.
like it like that.
Picture this, explosions, intense
How
gunfire,
am I
all
supposed to
crafted
click
from scratch.
67
It
times
felt like
that
directing
quickly?
my own
Wait,
action.
what if